For making Solomon knot, you need yarn or any type of thread and crochet hook. For this thick yarn, I am using crochet hook size 5. I am teaching this because in future I am going to teach a lot of project in which you need to make Solomon knot. This is very easy to make and it look really nice and beautiful. For making it, make the slip knot. Make chain 2. 1, 2. After making chain 2, go to the first chain and make single crochet in the first chain. This is the single crochet. I am going to make foundation line of the Solomon knot. For making foundation row, you need to make multiple of 2 plus 1. If you like 5, 2 plus 1 means you got set of 2, like 2, 2, 4 and 1 additional like plus 1. So you can arrange and maintain the length according to the formula 2 plus 1. Here we ended the single crochet. You have to just pull the loop. For making equal Solomon knot, you have to measure this. What I use my thumb. Some people uses their hook size. Pull the loop. Place your thumb between this loop and this thread. Go to the back and pull the back thread from the loop. You have one loop on the hook. Again go back side of the thread and pull the yarn. You have got 2 loops on the hook. Wrap over and pull through 2 loops from the hook. You just made one single crochet and one Solomon knot. Just keep on repeating this process. Pull the thread like this. Take the measurement. I am just using my thumb, or you can just do like this. You can just take length like this, or you can just use your thumb for making equal Solomon knot. Go back side, pull through. You have 2 loops. Wrap over and make the single crochet. You just completed 2 Solomon knot. Just keep on repeating. For foundation row, I am making 5 Solomon knot. Pull the loop. Go back side. Again wrap over. You got the 2 loop. Wrap over and pull through both the loop. You got 1 Solomon knot. 3. For making 4th one, just do like this. Wrap over. You will make 1 single crochet here. You got the 4 Solomon knots. Again pull. You will get the loop. Place your thumb. Go the back side of the yarn. Again go and you got the 2 loops on the hook. Wrap over and pull through both the loop. We just completed 5 foundations row of 5 Solomon knot of foundation row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to go and make another row over the top of it, what you have to do? You have to just make single crochet on the 4th single crochet from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th single crochet. You go there and make 1 single crochet on the 4th single crochet. Like this. You got the 2 loop. complete your single crochet like this. You just made one single crochet on fourth single crochet. Just again pull and make 2 Solomon knot. 1, pull again from this single crochet, make the measurement to make equal Solomon knot, or you can just go behind your thumb. You made 2 Solomon knots, skip one single crochet and go to the next and make one single crochet over here. We have just completed second row. If you want to make second row, this much is enough. You want to make a bigger project and you want to go through third row, so what you have to do, here you made the single crochet, make 3 Solomon knot from here. Just pull the loop, go back side, go back side of the thread, wrap over, make the single crochet, one Solomon knot, go back side, pull it, you made 2 Solomon knot, again pull, take the measurement and back side of the thread, make single crochet. You have completed 3 Solomon knot. If you want to make the third row, what you will do, just keep your work like this and start counting loop. 1 loop, 2 loop, 3 loop, 4 and 5. You have to make single crochet between 4th and 5th loop. 4th and 5th. You have to make one single crochet here. Count it from the first loop from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to make one single crochet between 4th and 5th loop. Like this. Here. After making this single crochet, you will make 2 Solomon knot again for joining your work at end. On the top of it, make 2 Solomon knot, take the measurement, go back side, again one more time, you got 2 loops on the hook, just wrap around and go through 2 loops. You just made 1 Solomon knot, take the measurement, hold the yarn, you got 2 loop, you just made second Solomon knot, or you just made single crochet here. Now skip one single crochet and go to the next one and make one single crochet at the end. You have just completed the third row.